This is the Boss Wolf Business Vlogs. I am the Alpha Boss. Hey guys, what's going on today? I want to talk to you on something really important and very serious. And I do not want one view. Number one, I want to ask you, how many of you actually went to a American Hockey League game? I'm talking about places like Binghamton. I'm talking about Hartford, Hershey, Lehigh Valley, Springfield, Utica, the Ontario Reign, and the Stockton Heat, and the Cleveland Monsters, and also the Maine Manos, the Manchester Monarchs, the Worcester Whalers, and the Reading Royals, and the Toledo Walleye, and the Kansas City Mavericks. Because I need to know. Because what I'm doing is I'm doing some research on how far these places are to I was supposed to go somewhere Friday and Saturday, but I can't because my cousin, the LA Wolf, is working. So I can't go. So that's why I'm asking you for your help. Now, my other question is this. Number one, who is your favorite AHL hockey team, ECHL, and the NHL? I was talking to someone who is a radio for a hold on a minute. This guy who I was talking to on my iMessages, I'm not gonna say who it is, but I can only tell you that he works for the Ontario Reign. He is their radio announce guy, and I said to him that I wish to come out to see a game. He said to me, if you come, we can hook you up with a ticket. I asked the French Wolf, my sister, and I said to her that I am not going out. I am not going to California to see that game. That's what I'm saying. I'm not gonna release the real French Wolf's real name. That's not important to you. But the whole point is, like, this way. To me, I love hockey, and I want to see hockey that I never saw before. Like teams, I can give you like for the American Hockey League, Hartford, Hershey, Lehigh Valley, Springfield. I never saw those teams play, and I want to see them play. And the season is winding down now because of, like, for an example, for my local hockey team of the Thunder, we have 12 games at home and 11 games on the road. Now, I'm going to use this, and I can tell you how much games are left. So, 12 games at home. Take away 11 games. No, that's not right. Hold on. I got something wrong here. Hold on. Okay. We have 23 games left for the regular season. So, hold on for 1 sec here. Also, to me, this is what I'm saying. I take the hockey stuff seriously because, which I said in a couple of videos ago, I know the players. I know the ins and outs of the business. 3, I know some of the team owners. Not all of them, only the ones that I know of. Lehigh Valley, for example. I know about 6 people out there. And the player, but I don't know if he's still playing or not. His name is, his name for Lehigh, his name is Corbin Knight. He used to play with the Adirondack Flames, and I personally know him. I know a guy who plays for Allen. His name is Derek Mazels, who used to play here with the Phantoms. Chris Newberry, I know him too. Trevor Gillies, I know him also. David Wolf, which I said, David Wolf had to go back to Germany. David Wolf went back to Germany and he gave me his PS4. That's why I know the ins and outs. My question to you is, do you? If you excuse me for 1 sec here, I am having a dry throat attack here. So, there we go. There you go. So, that's what I'm saying to you guys. I need your help. I need to know, how long will it take for you? I mean, if you live in Atlanta and you want to go to a game in Cincinnati, how long will that take? Replacing the rest of the games for my local hockey team. We have on Friday against Fort Wayne, then Kalamazoo, then Cincinnati. 2 games at home against the Maine Mariners, the Reading Royals. Go back on the road. I play against Reading again in their home arena. Then in March, 3 games away, 2 in Manchester, New Hampshire. Worcester, 6 games at home. Worcester again. Manchester. And then we have Newfoundland. Excuse me for 1 second, guys. There you go. Which I said, 2 games against Newfoundland. Again with Reading. 2 games in Brampton. 2 games back home. 1 is against Brampton. Then Maine. Go back to Maine. April. Reading again. At home. That night, the Thunder would go back to Reading, play them on Saturday in Pennsylvania. Come home that night, we have a game on our last home game is in April, and it's at 3 o'clock against Worcester. Excuse me for 1 sec here. There you go. So, that's what I'm saying to you guys. To me, this is important. I don't want to see 1 or 2 views on this video. I told you, I take everything about hockey seriously. And I need your help. And you don't want to help the Wolf. Or the Alpha Boss. So, for the NHL, I went to New Jersey a couple of days ago, and in East Rutherford before. I have been to a Ranger game, but then to Boston I went to, but he's the top 3 on the bottom that I wrote down in my notebook here. I never went to. Philadelphia, Washington, and Carolina. I have a jersey for Carolina, and I want to go and see them play. But I don't know who I would go with, or drive down, or take a airplane. Here's the problem: I never had flown before. I don't know I don't know how I could react for my first experience of flying. I could have a nervous breakdown. I hope not, because look at Brian Wilson. He was going to Houston, Texas for a concert in 1965. Next thing you know, in mid-flight, he had a nervous breakdown. Will that happen to me? I don't think so. I want to try it. That's why I wanted to go out to California, but I can't now. So, favorite, like, and share. No, favorite, like, share, and subscribe to me. Alright? And also put on your post notifications. Please. And also turn on your Boss Wolf like button and smash that button over 30 times. I am the Alpha Boss. And you need to respect the boss. I'll see you guys later. New video up a little bit later. If I get good results to this video. If I don't get results to this video, there'll be no videos up tonight. Boss Wolf out.